Hey friends, in today's video, we'll go through a super AI tool that lets you create presentations, websites, and super professional looking documents with a single text prompt. It's absolutely mind blowing and I'm sure you guys will love it. Let's go. In today's tutorial, you will get an overview of Gamma, which is an AI powered tool for presenting information. From a single text prompt, you can create documents, presentations, and websites that will all convey what you need to convey. It's absolutely incredible. You'll see it for yourself shortly. Just go to gamma.app by clicking on the link below. Once you come to the website, this is the kind of interface you'll see. So just come here and click on try for free. Then we'll just log in with your email ID. Once I've logged in, I'll just create my workspace. How do you plan to use Gamma? For personal use, what kind of work do you do? Creator, how did you hear about us? YouTube, click on get started. And once you've made your account and signed in, you'll see these three options. The first option is pretty simple. Just straight away create your text and paste it here. The second one is the most popular one, which is the AI-based presenter. And the third one is you can also import a file inside this to help you create presentations. Let's go with the most popular one. I'll click on generate. Here I'll just write in one line what I need to create. I have just described my business in one line. An online design firm called Pixelplay that makes graphic design assets and websites. That's it. Now I'll click on generate outline. And just like that, in real time, this entire outline has been created. You can go through this. Welcome to Pixelplay, the about page, our design services, our web development capabilities, portfolio of work, client testimonials, pricings, contact us, etc. So you also have the option of adding more cards or pages here. And you can also reorder this over here by simply dragging and dropping all this. So everything looks all right here. If you come down further, here you have the option of deciding the amount of text per card, medium, detailed. Let's keep it brief. And you can also select the kind of images. You can select for all images, free to use commercially. Let it be at all images. So the free plan gives us 400 credits. We'll go over the pricing later on. Now I'll just click on continue. Next, we get to pick a theme from all these beautiful themes available here on the right. All of them look wonderful. You can just keep clicking on each to see how they will look. They also have another interesting feature which says shuffle theme. Just click on this and they give you more options. Right now I seem to like this. Actually no, I like this. So once you've selected the theme, just come here and click on generate. And now you can see how fast this website is. This is happening in real time. The video has not been sped up. And the entire presentation is coming to life in front of you by just writing a single prompt. And look at the quality of design also. That's it, it's ready. Isn't it amazing? So here on the left side, you can see all the pages here. If you just click on this, it'll take you directly to the page. You also have the option to see all the pages in the list view. If you prefer, I'll go back to the film strip view. I'll go back to the main page. This is our main introduction page. Now let's go through what's available here. If you come here on the right, you have various editing options. Let's click on this. So here you have all these card templates or pages if you might want to call them. So in between these pages, if you would like to add these additional pages, you can simply drag and insert them here. And all these various layouts are available, which are absolutely professional grade. Let's see the next option. They also have a smart layout where you can add bullet layouts, icon with texts, pyramid layouts, 4x4 boxes, 3 boxes, absolutely amazing. You can also add basic blocks if you just want a title, heading. You can just simply drag and put them anywhere you like. Next, we have the image option. You can upload your own images. You can do a web search. You can use AI to generate images. You can use images from Unsplash. Absolutely beautiful. You also have the option to embed videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Spotify, TikTok, even Loom recordings. As they say nowadays, video sales letters are doing really well, or VSLs as they call them. You can also embed apps and web pages. You can add, here you also have the option of adding all these good looking charts and diagrams, which will be amazing for presentations, I guess. And lastly, the forms and buttons factor. You can add various buttons and forms. You can also embed Calendly here, Google Forms, Tally Forms, amazing. They also have this edit with AI option, which goes section by section. To use this, simply click on the section, come here and click on edit with AI. And here simply in natural language, you can ask what you want.
Let's go with one of the suggested prompts. Make this more concise and let's see the solution. And this is what we've got. Welcome to Pixel Play. We create stunning experiences. It's a bit too concise, so you have the option to go back to the original one. I'll stick to the original one. You can add emojis. Let's try this. So yeah, they have added this emoji, doesn't look that good. So I'll go back to the original one. So yeah, that's it. This entire presentation is ready. If you're happy with what you see, you can just simply come here and click on share, and you can add the people who you would want to have access to this presentation, or you can also publish this to a live link which can be shared with everyone. Pretty amazing. And you also have the option of straight away using this as a presentation. So you can just click on this play button and you can start presenting. Amazing. Okay. Now let's try something else. Let's click on create new with AI. Once again, I'll click on this. I've given it the same prompt. This time I'll just select on website and I'll click on generate outline. And here the entire outline is ready. Now you know the drill. I'll just click on continue. Once again, I'll be spending 40 free credits. So here on the bottom left, you can see how many credits are left. I'll just click on this. Once again, like last time, all these various theme options are available. This time, let's select something else. Let's go for this. And I'll click on generate. And just like that in front of you in real time, my entire website is getting ready in this beautiful black and gold and yellow theme. I already like the look of this. Wow. Just look at this. So here, this is my hero section. This is the About Us page. This is our design expertise, website design and development, graphic design and assets, client testimonials, design process, contact us page. Brilliant. And we've already gone through all these various editing blocks and brief. So if you like what you see, just simply go ahead and click publish this site, and the site will be live and ready on the web. You also have the option to upgrade to a paid plan and connect this to a custom domain. How satisfied are you with the output? Quite a lot. Let's say if you want to edit, let's say if you just want to change the image in this section. So just come here and click on this button here, card styling. And here it says background image. Click on edit. Now let's select a suitable image from the available image library. It says all image. I'll click on this. Free to use commercially. Let's see what's available. Here I'll just change the text prompt. Let's see what's come up. Let's say I like this, so I'll click on this. Let's see if that gets changed. And here, this has been changed. Let's see if they allow me to increase the opacity of this. I'll once again click on card styling. And here you have this effect option which says faded. Let's keep it clear. And here the image is clear. I think I like faded. I'll go back to that. So just if you spend some time around here, their buttons are really intuitive and easy to use. You can go through everything and start editing various sections as per what you like. You also have the option to change the theme. So just come here and click on theme. Click on edit theme, and here once again this comes up, which will let you select different themes. Maybe this, a bold theme of red and black. So see, it was so easy to change the theme also. Actually, I quite like the original theme. I'll go back to that. This was the theme, I think. Body and link. Yes, I really like this. So that's it. It was so easy to make your own website. Now let's try out something else. I'll once again go back to home. Now let's try creating a document. Once again, I'll click on create new. This time let's try creating a document. Once again, I'll come and click on this generate. This time I'll click on document. I'll give it the same prompt. I've given it the same prompt. This time I've selected document and I'll click on generate outline. And just like that, the outline is ready. You know the drill. Now I'll just click on continue, and once again I'll spend 40 credits. I have 300 of them left now. Once again, let's select a theme. Let's go with this. I'll click on generate. And here you can see in real time, my presentation document is getting ready. And look at this. My entire document is ready. And you know the drill. You can go through everything here and all these various editing blocks and edit whatever sections you like. And you obviously can present it, can publish it to a site so that this document immediately becomes a live site to be seen. Or you can come here and click on export, and this lets you export the entire document as a PDF or to a PowerPoint. The free version comes with Show Made with Gamma badge. That's all right for now. So yeah, that's it. So as per me, this is easily one of the best no-code AI presenter tools that I use and I have used so far, because I love their design style. It's absolutely brilliant. Yes, this doesn't take you all the way, but I feel it gives you a very solid footing and framework to start your work on, and then you can keep tweaking it and editing it as per your use. Quickly, let's go through the pricing. I'll go back to the home page. Let's click on setting. Let's see where the pricing is. Yeah, let's click on view plans. So these are the pricing. Currently, we were on the free plan, which gives you 400 AI credits at the sign up. PDF export, PPT export, unlimited gammas and users, basic image models. But yes, it gives you the gamma brand, and then this is the paid. These are the paid costs.